It's very sunny. We're going to have fun, have train.
What time is it now?
10:15.
Okay. That is the big duck.
Big lagoon.
Where goose, I'm sorry.
Goose.
The big goose that live with the ducks, no? As you can see. Okay.
Oh, he thinks he's dark.
Make you think he's duck. He's in the top of the mountain.
Yeah. The king. Lion King. Maybe that's before that. Be a lion king.
And we,
But how he get there? You know, like how he fly?
yeah, it must fly.
He's big.
He's huge. The others were a little bit scared, I think, so when he came. But now I think he lives okay with the rest.
It should be.
No. So we are now for our last class.
I mean,
Last Cully class. I mean, the last class that we pay.
yeah.
Maybe she will have one more class, but that's it. Here.
Yeah, well, maybe more. I don't know.
Here?
Today is 11.
And you're leaving on Tuesday?
We leave in 19. We're gonna have a 33.
Up you go. But don't fall. No, Cully, stop. Don't go that way, the other way.
Okay.
Good.
Bye. Have
Bye.
a good life.
See you in the training.
Okay, something wrong with schedule. We're supposed to be here 10:30, but our coach have another appointment for 1 hour from 10:30 to 11:30. So
She forgot that she had 2 appointments. So now we're going to grab a coffee and wait a little bit for 1 hour, and then we will come back.
okay, the coffee is across the street, somewhere there, the red building. I heard it's very good.
There are cars.
So their own version of American Cana, so
Americano.
Americano. So the water, the dilute, the strongness. Fast food.
We are in the middle of the town, and then 30 minutes walking, that is not driving, and you are already in this kind of environment. Earthquake.
Yes, a doggy made earthquake.
So since we are going to wait for 1 hour, and we were thinking to make a video explaining or talking about our plans,
Yes.
so we decided that now maybe it's a good moment.
Now it's 11. So 8 days we're gonna transfer our new, not transfer, in transition to a new life. Kind of a
We're going
different
to
type
travel.
of life. Yeah.
We want to start traveling for some months. You want to make like a big headline. We're going to transfer.
We drop our life.
No, there was something that we wanted to do for a long time, and now it seems that it's a good time for doing it.
Yes.
So I don't know how good the timing is, but we are going to try to do it. So the idea is that, well, we have to start talking a little bit from before. So we are now in Spain, right? But we came here to Spain from United States. So I arrived here in August, and then we arrived here in
January.
January. And then we are planning now to come back to United States because we have that we are planning now to come back to the United States because we have some cars there, and then we want to fix our cars and go to make a trip that we were planning to do when we were there, but we couldn't do it.
I think the travel plan was 2-step. I mean, it's 2-step.
It is right now 2 steps.
So one is we travel all the way from America, so we go south, then cross border, go to the Mexico, and then we follow Mexico, Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, then which country?
So the idea is to go to
Niagara,
Panama, no? Panama.
Then Panama. I think that's the whole plan.
Okay, yeah.
So
We don't have a plan very
but
well.
it's kind of a rough plan. We stop in Panama, then we probably ship the car to Colombia or Ecuador. Then we stop there. So that's our first travel plan.
Yeah.
Then when we're ready next time, what's that? When we're ready next time, we are going to
Pick up our car from the country that we left it, and then from there continue going south. But we don't know yet. So our plan is a little bit wide right now. So our plan right now is not fixed. We didn't organize yet very well the places that we are going to stop. So we just know that we want to go and reach Panama this time. So that is the idea. So for next vlogs, we are going to start talking about what we are doing for the car and things like that, because for next week already WEI is going to be in United States, so he will show you the place and also the car and all the
project. Yep.
We are planning to put a tent in the car and things like that. So we have to organize quite a lot of things there.
Yes, a lot of work to do.
Yes. So we have also to organize things from here. So right now we are thinking about the vaccines that we need for going to our trip. We are thinking also, we don't think too much. We are arranging documents for coming back here later.
So we are getting the passport for Cully to travel.
The European passport.
Yeah. So.
And what else? What we are doing here? It's like.
Well, I think enjoying the time we are here, because from American to Central American, probably. Before we enter in Mexico, and it will be cold. I think.
Yeah.
Right now, it's still winter in American, but here is.
Here.
Kind of warm.
Here there wasn't winter, but we know that when we go to Connecticut, it's going to be cold. It's still there, yes. It's cold, so yes. But at least we didn't go in January or February. Well, we're going in February.
Still,
snowing.
actually, it's still snowing.
Yeah.
February, yeah.
So let's see how, we're going to put everything together.
Yeah.
So right now, WEI is going to be traveling from Madrid, so we already rent a car, so we're going to go to Madrid, and from Madrid flying to Boston. So so the idea is to minimize the time that Cully is flying to make it more comfortable for Cully to travel. And so that is all what we are doing so far, and and enjoying the time here that we have left. And
we will come back.
We will come back. So hopefully everything goes well, and we will come back in 3 months or something. So we keep you updated, and see you next vlog.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.